Hey all, you beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel to a new and exciting video where I will be unboxing my newest Chanel bag. This was a gift from my husband for my 2020 birthday, and even I was pleasantly surprised with the choice. As always, I love the classic collection and I'm aiming to collect a variety of colors. This is an ambitious color. You can see that from my personality. I usually go for a feminine color like pink or light beige. However, my husband and even my essay insisted on this color, and I'm convinced this is a beautiful color. Okay, my lovely essay, she also gave me this perfume samples and one mascara as well. She was very nice. Her name is Aga. Thank you, Aga. Okay, now this is the bag, guys. Okay, I'm super excited already. Okay, this is beautiful box from Chanel. I really like this Chanel packaging. It's so gorgeous, and love this white camellia flower. Alright guys, are you ready to see the color? Here it is. As you can see, it's in beautiful blue color. I never thought of getting a Chanel bag in this color before, but like I mentioned before, I just love the color now. It's so beautiful. So this is Chanel classic Chanel double flap bag, small size, in gold hardware, and the leather is caviar leather. Okay, this time I chose in champagne hardware because it goes with most of my accessories. I am very petite, guys, so this small size is perfect for me. I can go up to medium size, but I don't think so large will suit me at all. So yeah, I prefer this size. It's perfect. And once again, I want to thank my husband and Essay for this beautiful bag, and I mean the beautiful color. And yes, I can't wait to take this baby out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and there are more to come in the future. This is my third Chanel bag so far, and I hope you will continue staying with me on my journey. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll do my best to post more entertaining videos in the future. Until next time everyone, bye.